Guru Nation, welcome back to the Clinical Trials Guru. My name is Dan Sfera. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to YouTube, subscribe on the blog, get on my email list. I'm going to start this newsletter soon. Once a month it's going to go out, cover all the important topics that I think are relevant at the time in research. So today's video, sort of a rant. A lot of my clients, my sites I own, just people out there on YouTube and Twitter and LinkedIn and all the whole internet who's watching in regards to clinical research and starting up sites, they're asking me, hey, how do we motivate our doctors? So we've partnered with a doctor. How do we motivate that person to refer us patients? Because they have a huge database, right? But they're not referring patients, and this is the same problem I see in the real estate industry. It's the same problem I see in any industry. This is an element of sales, and for some reason, some of us in this industry, actually most of us in this industry, don't understand that sales is just as important, probably more important in clinical research than in another industry, because people's lives are affected by this. I mean, at the end of the day, we do clinical research studies in order to bring out better treatments, and if we're not recruiting patients collectively, it takes longer for treatments to come out to market, and some people really need those treatments, okay? So, you gotta follow up. There's a reason why I used to say follow up, follow up, follow up. It's in my trailer to the video. You gotta follow up. Yes, you partnered with a doctor. He has a huge database. On paper, everything's golden, right? But then when the rubber meets the road, you're not getting the referrals, because chances are the doctor is rich as a mofo, right? And he doesn't care about research because he's got 20,000 other things to do that day. And if you're not there, or if someone's not there following up with him every single time he sees a patient that might qualify for the study, he's not going to mention the study to them. This is just the way it goes, not only at my clinics, my clients' clinics, everywhere, okay? Now you get cases, unicorn cases, where a physician is very much engaged in research because that's their primary source of revenue, but usually those physicians don't actually have big private practices, but sometimes you get both. Someone who's very interested in getting as many patients as possible into their research studies, and then they also have a huge patient population. If you find that person, let me know, because I want to partner with them. They probably don't need me to partner with them. But so for 99% of us out there, we got to follow up with these people, all right? At my clinics, I hire people to do this because I don't necessarily have the time to do it myself. I've got a million things going on myself as well. But when I started out, the first 5-10 years of doing this, well, probably the first 5 or 8 years of doing this, I was the one following up with the doctor, and the doctors, plural. So if you have a network of sub-Is or more than one PI, your job just got 10 times harder because you've got to follow up with every single physician. So they're not going to refer patients because they've got a million other things to do. They're probably making really good money in their private practice, and if you're not there constantly nagging them or following up with them, they're not going to send patients to their own studies sometimes, even if they know that it's going to benefit them financially to do so. They're not going to do it. Okay? It's not the low-hanging fruit. The low-hanging fruit is what they have going on. Okay, so someone needs to be with them. Someone needs to follow up with them on an hourly basis, on a 15-minute basis, on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, whatever rhythm your doctor is setting, that's the rhythm you've got to follow. Follow up, follow up, follow up. They're not just going to magically refer patients to you, even if they're part owner of the research clinic, right? Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helps. Thank you, Guru Nation. Go out there and follow up today. Get those patient referrals. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.